Hello, hello, all of you beautiful faces. So, I'm sorry, I'm literally filming from bed today because I am not feeling good. I have been in bed for a couple of days and I have my Allure boxes here, and I did not want to let a day go without showing you guys what they did this month, because I am what I thought was going to be a great box turned out to be very disappointing in certain aspects. And you know, guys know that that's part of my channel, is telling the truth and revealing the truth about these companies and what they do. I am not just your typical beauty unboxer where I'm going to just tell you how amazing every little thing is in the box, even though they are amazing. They're all amazing in the fact that you're getting a deal for your dollar. But I'm going to tell the truth because a lot of people aren't willing to stand up and do what's hard, because they're more concerned with kissing the butt of these companies to get free product than to tell the real truth about these products and how these companies treat you. So I'll start with last month. I got last month's, my box was fine, but when Savannah got hers, they promised everybody the ABH Lippy. I have the video to prove it. If I knew how to upload it, I would do it. And I'm sorry, I'm too sick to get that good at this. I don't know how to do that. I don't know how to insert a video. But in the video, it says every person gets the ABH Lippy. Well, Savannah didn't get it. And she didn't want to call them because there's always sometimes there's so many nasty employees. So I called. The first person hung up on me. She accused me of arguing with her because I said, I have the video, would you like me to mail it to you? And she was like, I'm not going to argue with you, and hung up on me. And I wasn't arguing with her, and let me tell you, I take it very serious because I answer to God for what I declare, and I know I'm not the type of person that argues with people. So I called right back. I got a really sweet lady, and she apologized left and right, and she said, not only am I going to send you out the Lippy, but I'm going to send you a full box, and that box is going to have the Lippy in it too. Well, that box came yesterday with my box, and instead of going over the items, I'm going to show you the box front and back. Please note what is in here or what is not in here. 2 ABH Lippies. So they're liars. They said that they were going to send me 2 ABH Lippies with the full bag. One bag that came with the Lippy, and then one individual Lippy by itself. And so, wow, thanks a lot, Allure, for being liars and not being people of your word. And it is not that hard to make sure that things go out properly, because that's what quality control is. If you have people that are not getting what you promised them in your videos, you guys are the ones that said it. You said everybody gets this Lippy. And then you say later that it's a variation item, which you never ever told us. So that's lying as well. So look, Ipsy tells us when they're going to give us variation items, and so does Boxy Charm. So why don't you guys just do the same instead of lying to us and telling each and every one of us that we're going to get the items and then not get them? And then when we get somebody on the phone, they lie as well. So, first issue. Here is my second bag. This is the one that comes to my middle name, my second account. You get this absolutely adorable, and it is adorable. It seems a little bit sturdier than the previous snap bags because I'm really tugging on it, but you know, who knows? They're plastic. Who knows what that is? But I do love the bag. I think it's adorable. We got an absolutely adorable Laritzi lip gloss, and the color is Vibe. It's an absolutely beautiful nude color. Love it. Absolutely love the product. I got the Saint-Tropez Bronzing Water Face Mist. I got the Laneige Water Bank Moisture Cream, which I'm happy to try that. I got the most amazing Model & Co. liquid eyeshadow. I have it on my hand right here. It is this absolutely gorgeous look. I am rubbing this baby and it's not coming off, and it feels like I have nothing on my hand. This is by far the nicest, next to the Paris Hilton ones that I own. Those two are really neck and neck because they both feel the same. They must have the same formula because they feel like you have nothing on, and the color is super opaque and beautiful. I absolutely love it. Makes me want to go get all of the Model Co. liquid eyeshadows. Then we got this absolutely adorable bougie Amore Pacific Youth Revolution Radiance Cream. Here's the box. But look at this jar. It is absolutely brilliant. Amore Pacific, I think you guys just blew it out of the park. Not only that, it is completely full of product, and the packaging is just brilliant, brilliant. And it does not go all have a bubble that you get like literally a little dribble of stuff. It is full of product. So love this. Here is my beef. Here's the Lou clay powder that you mix yourself. Notice it is 60% gone. 60% of this is gone. And when you bang it down, it even goes down further. Here is what Savannah got in her box. Mine is less than Savannah's even. Trying to get it to where they stand side by side, but mine is less than Savannah's is. Now, everyone goes, oh, I heard people make excuses for them yesterday and everything. No, 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 no. This is what they're supposed to look like. This is my regular box that comes to my name. And not only that, but this is nasty. This is open. Anybody could tamper and put stuff in here, or just steal half of it and put it in a little jar like their employees probably did, and take half of 60% of your product and take it home instead of buying it for themselves or whatever they did. My second bag is pretty much the same except for 2 items. I got the gel, the Saint-Tropez gel with the mitt in my second one, and instead of getting this absolutely beautiful bougie hydrating cream, this is what they sent in replacement of the bougie cream. 2 anti-frizz masks. You know, that's despicable. I'm sorry, but that is not comparable. That is not a comparable bag. So, honestly, I'm not happy at all with them. Not to mention the fact that they lied last month and saying they were going to make right what they did wrong. Now they send us out product with about 60% of the product missing. It's terrible. It's absolutely terrible to do this to your customers and try to expect them to remain loyal to you. Not to mention, if any of you have any of their emails saved from last month, I suggest you go look at it. And Shelby, if you're watching this, or anybody under 18 is watching this, please stop watching at this point. Please. I'm asking you to stop. Allure put in their ads, in their emails, which go out to my 16-year-old daughter and any other person that is under the age of 18, when you click on their thing, it comes up with a bunch of different storylines, like, oh, so-and-so paid, or Jennifer Aniston paid $600 for this face cream, how does it work? Or this and this, try this product, or they give you a bunch of different things. Well, one of those things was a woman wearing a strap-on with a man stroking it, saying how to please your man with a strap-on. Like, it was despicable. Absolutely despicable, Allure, that you send that out to people who get your subscription And look, I don't know if they have an age limit on this. I don't believe that they do. But you better believe that there's going to be 16-year-olds who lie and say their age is different to get this box. And they're putting that out where anybody can open the email and see it. That's pathetic. And it's beyond words. And it's beyond wrong. So I am not sure if I will be staying with Allure, and you better believe I'm writing them. I am putting it on Instagram. I am putting it on Facebook. I'm going to activate my Twitter account just to make sure that they know, because that is completely wrong. There is no young girl who should click on to look at beauty products and see something like that. And it's truly disgusting. Truly disgusting. So, obviously, that does not make this a great experience for me. Not to mention the fact that I have to call these people when I don't feel good 6 days of the week. And then deal with them about these bags and these things that they send out. And honestly, I am doing them a favor by showing their box on my channel for free. I am giving Allure Beauty free advertising. And I refuse to be somebody that kisses the rear end of these companies just to potentially maybe get free products in the future. And if all of you want to do that, then you go fine, but don't judge me for not being willing to be one of them. That is wrong. And if any of you are fine with your daughters clicking on that, then you need to check your hearts. I'm not talking about the products. The products are the products. But no mother should have to monitor Allure Beauty's ads. And if they're going to have something like that on there, they should say, this is explicit. And there should be something you have to put in order to be able to prove that you are old enough to see it. So I'm sorry, Allure, but I'm absolutely disgusted with your company this month, and honestly, I'm just appalled. I'm appalled at the fact that you guys are doing these things. That especially the ad. That's the most thing. Look, you know what? You guys are going to do what you do because that's just what sold out companies do. But to put ads like up where anybody can see it that don't necessarily want to see that stuff is just beyond me, and it's unacceptable. And all of us should be willing to stand up and raise our voice about it, and be bold enough to do it without fear of Allure targeting you or taking you off their list or whatever. Because none of us, no one's people, the reason why they get away with this is because no one is willing to stand up and say this is wrong. Please don't be those people. Please, if you have a channel, let them know it's not right. Please. And if anybody wants to see it, then you contact me and I will forward that email to you. But don't do it if you're just doing it for gossip. If you're going to put it up on your video and you're going to talk about it, then I'll send it to you. But don't just ask me to get out of my sick bed and send you stuff just for you to get shock value and then go gossip to your friends. But it's wrong. It's wrong on so many levels. But I just had to get this done because I don't even know if I'm going to be able to do my Ipsy boxes because I have not been doing well. So I'm going to try and we'll see. But I love you guys. Please don't attack me for something they did, and because I have a right to my opinion and have a right to my voice. And please keep in mind that I am literally riddled with pain in my body today, and it's taking everything I have to do this video. So give me a break, okay? I love you guys, and I pray that you're doing way better than I'm doing right now.